Now we solve next question of exercise 2.2 class 10 NCERT. First find the zeros. Factorize it. 4s square minus 4s plus 1. This one is in standard form. So let us factorize. 4s square. Distribute it into two parts. Minus 2s is equal to minus 4s. Minus 2s minus 2s is equal to minus 4s plus 1. Take common. 2s is common in both the terms. 2s. If you take 2s, then what is left? 2s is left because 2 to the 4 or s into s is a square. 4 is square. Here 2s is left and here it is 1 only, because 2s you have taken, then 1 is left. 1 into 2s is 2s. Now nothing is common, so 1 will be common. Now 2s, here it is 2s, and if you have taken minus sign, then its sign will be changed. It will be minus, plus will become minus, minus 1. Now both the term having 2s minus 1, so take it as common. 2s minus 1. This is 2s minus 1. Okay, this is the factorization. And now the value of 4s square minus 4s plus 1 is 0 when value of this one is 0. So write it. The value of 4s square minus 4s plus 1 is 0 when the value of this one 2s minus 1 and 2s minus 1 is 0. That is when 2s minus 1 is equal to 0 or 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. Then we will find s is equal to 1 will transport to the other side, then it will be 1 by 2. Then 2s minus 1 is equal to 0 implies 2s is equal to 1 and s is equal to 1 by 2. S is equal to 1 by 2. And both are same. So s is equal to here also, or s is equal to 1 by 2. So the zeros are, therefore the zeros of 4s square minus 4s plus 1 are 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Therefore the sum of the zeros, zeros is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Half plus half becomes 1, and we know that coefficient sum of the 0 is minus b by a. That is coefficient minus b by a. Minus b by a means minus coefficient of s minus coefficient of s and minus b by a. A is coefficient of s square, coefficient of s square. That is same, because if the equation is in this way, 4 is ax square, suppose it is ax square plus bx plus c, then sum of a and b is, sum of zeros is, sum is equal to minus b by a, that is coefficient of x divided by minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. And if it is product, then product of two zeros is equal to C by A. Then find the product of zeros. Now product of zeros, that is product 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 4, and that is equal to minus C by A, that is constant term divided by coefficient of S square, that is constant. Product of two zeros is equal to C by A, that is constant term divided by A, that is coefficient of S square. Coefficient of S square, C by A. And C is, what is C? C is 1, C is 1 and A is 4. So it is 1 by 4. So verified. Verified.